Hey there, future stock market ninjas. Are you ready to embark on an exciting journey into the world of stocks and investments? Ever felt like you're watching from the sidelines while others rake in profits? Those days are over. It's time to step into the game and claim your piece of the pie. The stock market isn't some exclusive club reserved for the elite. It's a dynamic and bustling marketplace open to everyone, regardless of background or experience. It's a bustling marketplace open to everyone, and now it's easier than ever to jump in and grab your share of the action. With the advent of technology, the barriers to entry have been significantly lowered. Gone are the days of complicated paperwork and phone calls. No more waiting on hold or dealing with mountains of forms. Thanks to the power of the internet, buying stocks is as simple as ordering your favorite pizza. You can do it from the comfort of your home at any time of the day or night. All you need is a computer or a smartphone, and you're good to go. With just a few clicks, you can start building your investment portfolio. But why bother with the stock market at all? You might be wondering if it's worth the effort. Here's the deal. Investing in stocks is like planting seeds for your financial future. Just as seeds grow into plants, your investments can grow into substantial wealth over time. It's about growing your wealth over time and achieving your financial goals, whether it's buying your dream car, traveling the world, or securing a comfortable retirement. Imagine the possibilities. Or securing a comfortable retirement. Picture yourself driving off in that luxury car you've always wanted, or exploring exotic destinations around the globe. So, are you ready to level up your finances and become a stock market pro? Let's dive right in. We'll guide you through the basics, help you understand the strategies, and give you the confidence to make informed decisions. The stock market is a powerful tool for building wealth, and with the right knowledge and mindset, you can harness its potential. So, buckle up and get ready for an exciting adventure into the world of stocks and investments. The journey to financial empowerment starts now. Alright, future Warren Buffetts, before you start conquering the stock market, you need the right weapon, a reliable and user-friendly trading platform. This is your gateway to the world of trading, where every click and decision can lead to potential profits or losses. So, choosing the right platform is crucial. Think of it as your virtual stock market headquarters. This is where you'll analyze data, make trades, and track your investments. It's your command center, and it needs to be equipped with the best tools and features to help you succeed. In India, you've got a bunch of awesome options, each with its own unique features and perks. From advanced charting tools to user-friendly interfaces, there's something for everyone. But with so many choices, how do you know which one is right for you? Let's break down three of the most popular contenders: Zerodha, Upstocks, and Grow. Each of these platforms has carved out a niche in the market, catering to different types of traders and investors. Zerodha is like the veteran warrior of the trading world, known for its robust platform and low brokerage fees. It's a favorite among seasoned traders who appreciate its comprehensive tools and reliable performance. With Zerodha, you get access to real-time data, advanced charting options, and a range of investment products. Upstocks is the agile ninja, offering a lightning-fast and intuitive trading experience, perfect for beginners. Its user-friendly interface makes it easy to navigate, even for those new to trading. Plus, Upstocks offers competitive brokerage rates and a variety of features designed to help you make informed decisions quickly. And then there's Grow, the friendly sidekick, making investing super simple and accessible with its clean interface and easy-to-understand features. Grow is ideal for casual investors who want a hassle-free way to invest in stocks, mutual funds, and more. Its straightforward design and educational resources make it a great choice for those looking to learn as they go. So, how do you choose the right platform for you? It all comes down to your individual needs and preferences. Are you looking for advanced tools and low fees, or do you prioritize ease of use and accessibility? Consider your needs and priorities. Think about what features are most important to you and how you plan to use the platform. Are you a day trader who needs real-time data and advanced charting tools? Or are you a long-term investor who values simplicity and ease of use? Are you a casual investor looking for simplicity? If so, a platform like Grow might be the best fit for you. Its user-friendly interface and educational resources can help you get started with confidence. Or a seasoned trader seeking advanced features. In that case, Zerodha's comprehensive tools and low brokerage fees might be more up your alley. Its robust platform can provide you with the data and insights you need to make informed trading decisions. Do you prioritize rock-bottom brokerage fees or a seamless user experience? Upstocks offers a great balance of both, with competitive rates and an intuitive interface that makes trading quick and easy. Take your time, explore the options, and pick the platform that feels like a perfect fit. Don't rush the decision. After all, this is the tool you'll be using to navigate the stock market. Read reviews, try out demo accounts, and see which platform aligns best with your trading style and goals. Remember, the right trading platform can make all the difference in your stock market journey. It can enhance your trading experience, provide you with valuable insights, and ultimately help you achieve your financial goals. So choose wisely and happy trading. Now that you've chosen your weapon, it's time to suit up and get ready for action. Just like preparing for an important business meeting, setting up your trading account requires a bit of preparation and attention to detail. But don't worry, it's a straightforward process that will have you ready to trade in no time. Setting up a trading account is like opening the door to the stock market arena. Imagine stepping into a world filled with opportunities, where every decision you make can lead to potential gains. It's an exciting journey, and the first step is to get your trading account ready. The process is surprisingly straightforward. In today's digital age, setting up a trading account can be done entirely online, making it convenient and accessible for everyone. Whether you're a seasoned investor or a beginner, the steps are designed to be user-friendly. First, head over to the website of your chosen trading platform and click on the Open an Account or Sign Up button. This is where your journey begins. The website will guide you through the initial steps, ensuring you have all the information you need to get started. You'll need to provide some basic information like your name, email address, and phone number. This information is crucial for setting up your account and ensuring that you can be contacted if needed. Make sure to double-check your details to avoid any errors. Next comes the KYC, Know Your Customer process, a standard procedure to verify your identity. This step is essential for ensuring the security of your account and complying with regulatory requirements. It might seem like a hassle, but it's a necessary part of the process. You'll need to upload a few documents like your PAN card, Aadhaar card, and a recent photograph. These documents help verify your identity and ensure that your account is secure. The platform will provide clear instructions on how to upload these documents, making the process smooth and easy. Don't worry, it's all secure and confidential. Trading platforms use advanced encryption technologies to protect your personal information. Your data is safe, and you can rest assured that your privacy is maintained throughout the process. Once your KYC is verified, you'll need to link your bank account to your trading account. This step is crucial for managing your funds. Linking your bank account allows you to transfer money to and from your trading account seamlessly. This is essential for transferring funds to and from your trading account. Whether you're depositing money to buy stocks or withdrawing your profits, having your bank account linked makes the process efficient and hassle-free. Finally, you'll need to open a demat account, which is like a digital locker where your shares will be held electronically. This account is essential for holding and managing your investments. It ensures that your shares are safe and easily accessible whenever you need them. Congratulations, you're all suited up and ready to dive into the exciting world of stock trading. With your trading account set up, you're now equipped to explore the stock market, make informed decisions, and potentially grow your wealth. Remember, the stock market is a dynamic and ever-changing environment, so stay informed, keep learning, and enjoy the journey. Happy trading!